See figure 3.14 and write the following. This is the Cartesian plane and we have to question. See figure 3.14 and write the following. This is figure 3.14 and we have to answer some questions. The coordinates of B. So the point B is marked in the figure like this. Coordinates, first of all we'll write x coordinate. This is -5 and the y coordinate is 2. So we can answer this. -5, 2. Coordinates of C. Here the C point is. X coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is -5. In this way. 5 minus 5. The point identified by the coordinates -3, -5. It will lie in third quadrant. Third quadrant में -3 is here for x-axis and -5 is here. They both meet at point E. So E is the answer. Fourth is the point identified by the coordinates 2, -4. X हमारा coordinate positive है and y coordinate is negative. Means fourth quadrant 2 is here, -4 is here. They both meet at point G. So G is the answer. Fifth is the abscissa of point D. Here we have point D. हम इसके पहले coordinates लिख लेते हैं. 6, 2 are the coordinates and the abscissa means x coordinate is 6. Sixth part is the ordinate of point H. First of all we have to write the coordinates. X coordinate is -5 and y is -3. So उसका ordinate क्या होगा? -3. In this way. The coordinates of the point L. Here we are having L on y-axis. So उसका x coordinate तो होगा 0 and y coordinate will be 5. 0, 5. The coordinates of point M. M is there on x-axis. So x coordinate is -3 and y coordinate is 0. So -3, 0.